because this is the Yamaha XT 250. It's not as famous as the XT 500, but for me it's a better bike. It weighs only 130 kilogram, has a decompression for the Kickstarter, and the shock system is cantilever. So it's really a great bike, easy to ride, and you can have a lot of fun with it. To restore this Yamaha XT 250 it needed around 7 months, and it's very important to know where to buy parts and only buy new parts, And there are 3 important ones. First is you have to transform the voltage to 12 volt, and don't buy cheap controllers, buy good ones. And then second thing is the exhaust pipe. You can still buy new ones on Kidocom or even on eBay. Interesting is most parts are from eBay UK, from Great Britain and other around the world, but most are from Great Britain. And the next thing is the petrol tank, and this petrol tank is from India, and I will put the link in the description and in the video so you can buy it, because it's a new tank, totally new made for this bike, for the Yamaha XT 250, so you don't have to buy a rusty tank, You can buy a new one, it's a steel tank, and it fits perfect.